Yeah, I mean,
it doesn't get worse.
I think that you know, in ownership, you know, having been in that seat as well, you don't know what you don't know, and everybody in this room, right? And I'll be real candid. Everybody in this room thinks that they know exactly what to do in every situation. As somebody who has been a situation tactical specialist in life at another juncture in my life, I'll tell you, you don't, and it's fine. That's why you have people like me, and that's why you have Hilton, that's why you have some of these other great companies. One of the biggest pitfalls that I've seen multiple times, probably more than I would like to have, is poor partnerships. When owners get in partnership with people that they probably should have never got into relationships with, and because they're charismatic and they're influential and somebody may have referred them, then you run into the situation of this person's a total jerk. And you realize that you're in an LP position, you didn't know you were in an LP position, you had your $15,000 and you was like, I'm going to own a hotel. And you get in it and you're like, these people are robbing me. So as a management company and as a manager and someone that has 2 decades of leadership experience with both Marriott and Hilton, corporate and franchise, one of the things that I try to advise against is, hey, make sure you know exactly who you're getting in bed with. Start with a small investment. Start with just getting to know you, multiple lunches, dinners, breakfasts, you know, Zoom calls, so that you really understand the character of the individual. And if their character traits and their spiritual, I mean, I'm a spiritual person, so I'm always talking about my Jesus. But if their spiritual traits, if their spiritual traits do not, or their character traits do not align with you,